Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. So we're going to start off with JPYX. As you can see, it's in a clear downtrend overall. You can actually take a better look at it from the daily perspective. As you see, just broke these lows. Prices just broke below these lows, came back here, retested this and this market structure, and then on Friday closed with a doji, indicating a lack of momentum. So we might be seeing some kind of a bearish continuation from here all the way to test these lows. That's my bias. Yeah, so that's my bias, anticipating to see JPYX drop all the way until down there. And then from the Euro JPY perspective, obviously you can also see the prices came back and retested this structure here, gave us that doji on Friday, closing with it. And from here, obviously, I will be anticipating for prices to then push all the way to this next market structure up here. Obviously, we're going to face a little bit of resistance here. As you can see, it's a strong level. But that's my view. As you can see, the trend is very strong as it's very steep. So I do believe, I do believe it will pump all the way until up there. And we will see prices create these highs and touch about 166.000. And CAD GPY, same thing. Here you can see prices just already gave us a doji on Thursday. And then on Friday, also closed with a doji, indicating the lack of momentum is more in here after a bearish candle, meaning that the bears still don't have strength to keep on going lower. So we will be seeing the bulls take over. From here, prices pump all the way until up there. So that's what I'm anticipating. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm going to be looking at. Once I get proper confirmations, I will be looking for buys on CAD JPY. Now, let's talk about dollar. The dollar. Let's talk about it from the 4-hour perspective. So obviously, this is from the daily. You can see it has created some kind of a double bottom here. And the momentum for it to push higher is much stronger. As you can see, the bullish candles are very strong. So what I'm anticipating, obviously, is same thing since last week. However, since last week, prices have just been ranging in here, where I was anticipating to see a break, retest somewhere here, and then a pump. And it did play out exactly how we anticipated it. However, we just didn't get proper entry confirmations and confluences for us to pull the trigger. So we're just watching it. So next week, I will be looking for prices to break above that, give us a retest, and then pump all the way up there. And how this is looking at in other currency pairs, we can see in Euro, USD, prices just are on this support level. I will be waiting for prices to break it, give us a retest, and then, for us to swing low. And then we got GU, same thing. Prices are on a support structure, just waiting for prices to give us that break, retest, and a continuation. So basically, it's about the same thing, doing the same thing. We haven't talked about USD JPY. So I'm obviously anticipating it to be bullish because JPY will be falling, will be bearish, and the dollar will be bullish. So obviously, I will be looking for entries in here. My entries will be somewhere around here, should prices break above here, because that's the most significant structure that is ahead of us. So should prices break there, I will be looking for that swing, heavy swing all the way until up there. And that's what I will be looking for, and that's what I'll be anticipating. So to wind it all out, to wind up, I'm going to talk about gold. With gold, we can see prices after hitting 3,000, they have been retracing, creating lows, creating lower lows after lower lows. So obviously, I am still anticipating to see prices retrace more until at least around here, 2980, somewhere here, for us to even see some kind of a bullish continuation. As you can see here, prices, I was anticipating to see prices retrace, but then they didn't retrace. They just kept on pumping and then started retracing by the end of the week, mid on Thursday. So, and right now prices are creating lower lows. So obviously it's all a matter of looking for proper entries. So I will be looking for entries once prices retrace, then give us proper confirmations for me to aim for that right there as my first target. And should prices break below that, I will be looking for some kind of a continuation until this market structure or trend line is hit. Yeah, somewhere here, we might be looking for some kind of a bullish continuation from somewhere here should prices break below here. So that's my view. That's what I'm anticipating. That's what I'll be looking for next week. If you found value in this video, consider giving us a like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to tell your friends about this channel. Please, if you're watching this video without subscribing, be sure to subscribe, as it helps me get this content out there to more people that actually need it. With that being said, I appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Cheers.